He begins by placing the old device on the table, as if bringing a piece of the past back to life. Before any repair begins, he focuses on cleaning the exterior, removing dirt, dust, and natural debris that have built up over time. He then moves to the inside, carefully cleaning the internal components to eliminate anything that might affect its function. This step is not just cleaning, but a crucial beginning to understand the device's condition and prepare it for restoration. After cleaning, he begins disassembling the device piece by piece, carefully revealing its hidden layers. He removes the old wires, separates the buttons and control panel, then moves on to internal components such as the speaker, electronic circuits, the main board, and the small connectors linking everything together. This stage requires great focus, as each part plays a critical role in the device's function. Through this organized disassembly, it becomes possible to understand the real issues and prepare for precise repairs. After disassembling the components, he turns to the wooden body that carries the soul of the device, carefully sanding it to remove old layers and reveal the natural texture of the wood. With each pass, the marks of time slowly disappear, leaving a cleaner surface ready for renewal. He then cleans it thoroughly before applying a fresh coat of paint inside and out, not only to enhance its appearance, but also to protect the wood and extend its lifespan. This stage restores the device's visual identity, blending authenticity with renewal. After finishing with the outer structure, he moves to the heart of the device, carefully cleaning all internal components to remove years of dust and corrosion. He doesn't stop at cleaning, but begins restoring damaged parts by repairing worn wires, resoldering electrical connections, and even replacing components that can no longer be saved with new or custom-made ones. This stage requires both skill and precision, as even a small mistake can affect the entire system. With each repaired part, the device moves one step closer to functioning as it once did. In this stage, he turns to the computer as a key reference to understand the device's original structure, searching for diagrams or images that help guide the correct reassembly. Instead of relying only on memory, he prints these references and keeps them nearby as a precise guide during the process. He then begins assembling the components one by one, ensuring each wire is correctly connected and every part is properly aligned. This step combines technical knowledge with careful craftsmanship, transforming the earlier disassembly into a structured rebuild that restores the device's balance and original function. After reassembling all the parts, the moment of truth finally arrives as he powers on the device for the first time after a long restoration journey. A brief silence builds anticipation, then the device comes back to life as if time itself has reversed. This transformation is more than just a repair. It is the revival of something that was once nearly forgotten, now functioning again as it once did. If you enjoy this kind of journey that brings old things back to life, don't forget to support by subscribing and following for more content like this.